This is a luminous inverter battery. You can see here. This is the point where is I put water in this distilled water. We put here. From this is the section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 section total, and we put water through this hole. Now I am going to open this. I move anticlockwise. This point, you can see this is the mouth of the this is the point, red point, and this is the low red indicator where if no water in this battery, then this is the red point and this is the green point. Water indicator, if battery full by distilled water, then this indicator go up. You can see here, I show you. I'm opening. You can see this is the when I put water in this will then go up. Then this is the go up, and when water empty, not water in this battery, then go down, go up and go down. Water in this battery full, then this indicator go up, and green indicator is the line, means water full. A red indicator indicate that water reduced, battery is the empty. So I am going to fill this battery by distilled water. This is the distilled water. You can see here, packet in polythene. I buy in my nearest shop in market, 60 rupees. This is the A1 company distilled water. Now I open this. I remove this sticker and open this water. You can see here full of this water, and water I put in the glass. You can use any instrument. Now I have a 1 distilled water glass. I take from this, and I am going to fill this section. Now I open it. You can see here, this is your first distilled water glass. I am putting it into luminous battery. Okay, now after fill water, distilled water, then I am close it, and you can see the rise level of water in this luminous battery rise, indicator go up. You can see here, but not is sufficient. It should be here green indicator. So I am going to fill water another section by distilled water. You can see here I am using glass. You can use funnel, kitchen funnel, to fill water. You can see here. So after filling the water, distilled water, I close it, and you can see I moving it clockwise to close. You can see here the indicator go up. Before, when I empty, then indicator go down under the red line, and they go up near to. Now I am open other section of this luminous battery. inverter battery, and you can see here this is the another distilled water glass. I am going to put in this luminous battery through hole. You can see here, you can use funnel, kitchen funnel. I am using glass because I have practiced to I regularly use this. Now I am close to by, you can see here indicator go up near to green line. So this is so that water fill in this luminous battery. Now I am going to fill another section. You can see the indicator go down under the red line. So I am open it to move anticlockwise. You can see here, this is the, now you can see here I am filling another hole, another section of this luminous battery. Okay, after filling this section, you can see indicator go up. When I close, when I tight this section by moving clockwise, and indicator go up very close to green line. So if close to green line, this is the good, but it is also sufficient for this time. But I should fill the water more. Therefore, indicator go up. It is demand more water now because this time it is still half. You can see here. This is the luminous inverter battery, and this is the process of distilled water filling in this battery by many sections: section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. This is the red line, and this is the indicator that battery is the empty without distilled water. And then indicator go up, then this is the means there's water in the sufficient in this battery. Distilled water is the controlled temperature of this luminous battery. So if if you not carefully fill water regularly, then battery affected, battery power is reduced. Therefore you should carefully fill time to time water, distilled water. This is the distilled water I buy nearest shop in this nearest market in the 60 rupees. This is the one piece of the distilled water bag. Now I am going to fill this water. You can see another section is the empty. Now you can see here another section is empty, and indicator go under the red line. So I am going to fill this section by this distilled water here in the distilled water in the glass. Firstly, I am going to move anticlockwise this section. Now this is the open. You can see here this is the hole where I am filling this water, distilled water here. This is the Aeon company distilled water. You can see here this is the logo, and this is the luminous battery. So I am trying to, you can see here I am using this glass. You can use funnel. I have practiced regularly, so my target is not miss. You can see here I am, now this process is the complete. Now you can see here, now this indicator go up when I tightening this the clockwise, tightening this section. You can see indicator go up near to green. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 section I have filled distilled water, and now I am going to last sections fill distilled water. So now we open this by moving anticlockwise. You can see here. Now this is the last section of this battery hole. So I am going to filling this. You can see here few water go outside. Now this is the process to filling distilled water in luminous battery. This is the last section of this process. Now this is the ended. Now I am going to see how go up indicator. You can see I tighten clockwise of this. You can see tighten, then indicator go up. I am very close to green line, so water sufficient in this, full water in this section. You can see two section is the green line touch by indicator. Now this is the just below the green indicator, and this is the near below green indicator. Now this is the sufficient. I have complete to this water filling process, distilled water filling process in the luminous battery. You can see here, this is the luminous battery, this is the distilled water. I am going to close. So this is the distilled water. Many water flow out by in this process, water filling process, because I have not funnel here. So this is the I use glass, and so there many few water outside flow. So this is the process of filling luminous battery distilled water.